Today, guys, we filmed a plane video, but we had to make them ourselves. Let's use the champion. Alright, so everybody's out on their own, deciding their own stuff. I think Aries went to Home Depot as well. I don't know about this one. We're grabbing some boxes for our plane. Yeah. Oh, by the way, we got a new cameraman. Sweet. And
so I'm just gonna get supplies for everybody. I got the paint. I'm gonna be blue. I'm getting some black. I might put peanuts on my thing. I also got some cardboard. I've got Mr. Cameraman over here holding it because I'm lazy. Anyways.
We got some categories when we're done. And everyone, let's start making your airplane. Here we go. Yeah, I'm keeping it simple. Wings, simple, easy design. Maybe I'll do a little bit something weird.
I'm gonna draw like the outline. Like the outline of like a plane. I'm gonna make it like a duck.
I'm gonna try to make a Cessna 172. I have no idea how this is gonna go. We'll see though.
So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna try to make my airplane like I'm gonna make it into like a square with like 4 different pieces, and I'm gonna try to make it as possible so it's easier to fly away. I'm gonna try to add wings or something, or I don't know. And I'm gonna draw a cheeseburger for my symbol. Okay, bye.
Sorry, Ali, our editor. I realized I was recording in slow motion. Sorry about that. We're probably gonna have this. We should have this done by.
We have tape. Who took off fucking tape? Only just like a portion. Word! Now I need to make a burger. No, just make this.
I don't know what I'm gonna call mine. Probably like put this up.
I don't know what I'm doing.
This is the worst video.
I'm not very creative.
Well, clearly none of us are, except for Aries. Aries is the only one that's got like a decent design going on.
You wait yours!
Alright guys, this is so far what I have. I don't. This is good.
He thought this was camp building now.
Change up plans. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Square that I was gonna do. I thought that was a stupid side.
Alyssa, do that.
Who needs scissors?
Shit.
This is the tape that dad and mom
This is it so far. This is I gotta fix the tailwind because it's kind of loose. The producer. 3 out of 5.
All right, so I got a 3 out of 5 on my my looks. Aries said because he's the most fair judge apparently, so he's gonna choose the scoring of the looks. Oh, 3.
Green arrow.
2, 1. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. That thing, it stayed together. What's the durability?
I'll give it a 5 out of 5.
Yeah, 5 out of 5. I got an 8 out of 10, I think, on my my total score. My distance isn't very far. Let's see what Alyssa's got.
Alright, I don't think this is gonna stick.
Oh. Three out of 5.
Oh, I got a 5 out of 10. Okay, 1.85, I guess, totally random.
Alright,
All right.
so this is called the better in my mind because execution of this project was horrible, but it looked really good in my mind. I got a little burger here. Now I got it.
Here comes the better in my mind plan. 1. Yeah.
1. All right, Alexis.
Since the whole thing didn't completely come apart, it's not a 0.
That thing blew apart.
All right, what do you give my plane? Style.
I give it a 4 out of 5.
4 out of 5? That's pretty good.
It broke! Did I win? I win! No way! There's absolutely no way! I won that! Oh my god! Let's go! Come on, baby! No way!
This thing was a piece of shit.
Now it's got good durability. Woo! Victory throw, baby! Oh, pretty good!
Oh shit!
Is it still together?
Yeah.
That is ridiculous. I did nothing this whole battle and I won. Mine barely even flew.